3D Hairline Illusion, created by Hollywood Hair Extensions Signature Salon.
Hollywood Extensions.
Our hairline illusions can be used as a hairline replacement or a protective style. This particular client has a full hairline, so we are using this method as a protective style. This is a great protective style method. This client won't have to worry about blending her hair. And it also looks very natural.
Hollywood Extensions.
We currently have over 10 different signature techniques, specializing in hair replacements, hair enhancements, hair extensions, signature weaving, custom wigs, makeup artistry, and so much more. Schedule your consultation today at thewigdoctor.com. And don't forget, wigs are the new weaves.
Hollywood Extensions.